Daniel Carp. Daniel Allen Dan Carp, born 1948, is the former chairman and chief executive officer of the Eastman Kodak Company. Carp served as the chairman of the board of Delta Air Lines, replacing former chairman Gerald Grinstein. A native of Wytheville, Virginia, Carp currently lives in Naples, Florida. Carp joined Kodak in 1970 as a statistical analyst and held a variety of positions throughout his career before becoming president and CEO in 1999. Carp stepped down as president and CEO in 2005 and was succeeded by Antonio M. Perez. On December 31, 2005, Perez took over as chairman of the board. Carp went on to join Delta Air Lines, serving as the airline's non-executive chairman until May 2016. His education includes a B.B.A. in quantitative methods from The Ohio University, an M.B.A. from the Rochester Institute of Technology, and a master's degree in management M.B.A. as a Sloan Fellow at the MIT Sloan School of Management in 1988. Carp currently serves on the board of directors at Texas Instruments and Norfolk Southern Corp. Career timeline: 1970 began career at Eastman Kodak. 1986 Assistant General Manager of the Latin American region. 1988 elected Vice President and General Manager of the Latin American region. 1990 General Manager of the European Marketing Companies. October 1991 General Manager of the European, African, and Middle Eastern region. November 1, 1995 elected Executive Vice President and Assistant Chief Operating Officers. January 1, 1997 elected President and Chief Operating Officers. December 12, 1997 elected to the Board of Directors. January 1, 2000 to December 8, 2000 President and Chief Executive Officers. December 8, 2000 to April 16, 2001 Chairman, President and Chief Executive Officers. Officers of 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 officers. April 16, 2001 to January 4, 2002 Chairman and Chief Executive Officers. January 4, 2002 to April 2, 2003 Chairman, Chief Executive Officer, President, and Chief Operating Officers. April 2, 2003 to May 31, 2005 Chairman and Chief Executive Officers. June 1, 2005 to December 31, 2005 Chairman. Awards: 1997 Human Relations Award of the American Jewish Committee Photographic Imaging Division. 2000 Alumni Hall of Distinction of the New York State Commission on Independent Colleges and Universities. 2001 Photographic and Imaging Manufacturers Association Leadership Award. 2003 Diversity Best Practices CEO Leadership Award. 2004 Photo Imaging Manufacturers and Distributors Association Person of the Year Award. 2005 Corning Award for Excellence